If we could look to the stars.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another vlog. It's really not morning anymore. It's actually 2 o'clock, but I wanted to vlog today because I feel like I have so much to talk about, and I just went to the grocery store and I thought that I would do like a chill vlog and just do like a really quick informal grocery haul. So I went to Winn-Dixie and I went without a grocery list, which was a little bit annoying because I always have a grocery list that tells me exactly what I need, and I had a small list, but I kind of was just going down every aisle and getting what I thought I needed. So I ended up spending like $98. I don't really like going to Winn-Dixie or Publix because they are more expensive. I like to stick to Walmart or the commissary, but most of the time Walmart. I feel like I save the most money at Walmart. But I was just really close to one and I just felt like switching it up today, so I went. So really quickly, this is what I got. So I got this Ben & Jerry's PB and Cookies dairy-free ice cream, which I will talk about in a second. This is Fairlife chocolate milk. You guys know we love this, and actually it's lactose free. I got these So Delicious dairy-free coconut milk yogurts, which I actually really like. These are so good. They just have kind of a lot of sugar, but this is the vanilla, and I got a blueberry. I got some pineapples because I'm making a Hawaiian crock pot chicken with this sweet barbecue sauce and chicken. I don't know if I'm gonna make that tonight or not, but I haven't decided. I got tuna for Devin. This is the yogurt Devin loves. His Cliff Bars. I got blueberries, avocados, pears, bananas. I got eggs and shredded lettuce. I got some of these Good Thins. I got these last time, but these are a little bit different. These are the sea salt and pepper. These were so good, and they're gluten-free. I got Special K red berries and the chocolate for Devin. I got these Jimmy Dean turkey sausage patties for breakfast. We love turkey sausage in the morning. And then I got some ground turkey, and these are chicken thighs. I got some crock pot liners, which if you guys have never used these are lifesavers. Although it seems every time I use one, a hole pops in it, and I don't know how that happens, but whatever. I got a bag of steamable broccoli florets. I got this sriracha aioli. Devin requested a chipotle lime mayo and I couldn't find that at Winn-Dixie, so I got this for one of his wraps I'm making for his lunches. And then I got this sweet brown sugar barbecue sauce for the Hawaiian chicken. I got this chicken tenders, like this organic whole grain chicken tenders, because the Alexia brand of like fries and stuff was buy one get one free. So I thought that was a really good deal, and so I got these onion rings, and I got waffle fries, but they're sweet potato fries. You guys know I love their sweet potato fries, but I haven't tried either one of these yet, so they're buy one get one free. And then I thought, just like as like a quick little maybe lunch or dinner for me when it's just me, I can make those. Wow, I didn't realize how small of a haul that was. But I also got 2 cases of water. Oh, and I also got this big bag of Halo oranges. So that was my quick little grocery haul, but I just got home. I worked this morning. A lot of you guys usually ask me if I'm still working. Oh, sorry about the lighting. I always get questions about like if I'm working, if I have a job. Yes, I do work. I just don't talk about it because I don't really want to talk about like what my job is because I just don't. So yeah. Anyway, so I worked this morning. I went to the grocery store. I came home and I just got Sherman from upstairs because he like lays down with Devin when he goes to sleep in the morning. And so he's outside going to the bathroom, but I have a couple things I wanted to talk to you guys about today. So this is probably going to be a really chatty video. I got to work on school today. We went out of town this last weekend because we went to Devin's dad's, which he lives like near Daytona. And so we drove there for the weekend. It was a crazy long weekend, but it was really fun and we got to spend time with family. But we were going to vlog and I had my camera and everything, and I even started the vlog on Friday night. But we were planning on staying in Jacksonville Friday night, and we were planning on doing a bunch of stuff in Orlando on Saturday. Long story short, those plans got changed. We ended up staying with his dad the whole entire weekend, and then we did go into Orlando on Saturday, but it was just kind of like we were so busy that I just didn't even want to pick up the camera, and I didn't want to film at his dad's house just because of privacy and everything. So I just never vlogged. So I thought I would vlog today. Today is Monday and I really need to put these groceries away because everything's gonna melt, and I need to talk to you guys about the dairy thing. So basically, I have always felt sick all the time, and Devin, it's always like a joke like that I always say that like my tummy hurts. And so I was like, one day, like last week, I was like, I just need to start making a food diary and seeing what I think is triggering my stomach issues. And I don't have any like diagnosed allergies or anything like that. I've always ate anything my whole life. I've never had any food allergies. But what I realized when I was taking notes of what I was eating, that every time my stomach would hurt and I would have stomach issues, it was when I was eating dairy. And so I have decided to kind of cut back on dairy as much as I can because dairy-free options are expensive, and I'm trying to do it the best that I can. So that's why I got the dairy-free ice cream, because we actually had vegan ice cream in Orlando and it was really good. So I just thought I would try it. And yeah, I don't usually eat yogurt and stuff like that, but I really like those dairy-free yogurts. So I got those, and cheese is a big thing for me. I eat cheese practical in everything, which is like what I noticed. If you start taking a food diary, you will notice what you eat a lot of, and I eat a lot of dairy. So I think that is my issue. So I'm just trying to, like, maybe for a couple weeks, maybe a month, kind of cut out dairy and see if it helps me. So yeah, if you have any dairy-free recipes, let me know down below. Maybe recipes that usually have dairy in it, or like your favorite cheese alternatives and stuff like that, because I've been cutting out cheese and that has been so hard, and I really didn't notice how much I ate cheese and like sour cream and stuff like that until I am not eating it anymore. So that is what's going on with me, and now I need to put these groceries away. It's been a minute, but I finally got all the groceries put away, the dishes are done, and the house is clean. Also, if you were wondering what this angel has been up to, he was at daycare all weekend, weren't you? Had lots of fun. He's got his Nylabone. Does anybody else's dog hold things with their hands? Because Sherman does all the time, and it's so cute, huh? Okay, so I'm gonna be a little bit quiet because I'm in the office, and my husband is sleeping because he works night shift. So our bedroom is like right next to the office, but I'm getting ready to work on school. I am really excited because I'm on track to finish up school this summer, and that's really exciting. If you don't know, I'm in dental assisting school. I know I've said that 1,000 times, but in case you're a new viewer, I'm in dental assisting school. And yeah, so I am online. I do my school all online. So usually about, I don't know, maybe like 2 to 4 hours a day I spend working on school, which is plenty. I don't work on school every day. I work on school mainly on the days that my husband works. So that's when I get most of my schoolwork done. And yeah, so I didn't do any schoolwork over the weekend because we were out of town. So I have a little bit to catch up on. But that's what I'm going to do for the next little bit, and I think that's all that I need to tell you. So I just finished one of my units in school, and before I start the next one, I was going through and I'm responding to some comments. And Frugal Mama in the Woods, if you're watching this, she always live comments as she watches my videos, which I think is so funny. I like to do that to people too, so you guys should go check out her channel. She posts a lot of good recipe videos and hauls and stuff like that. I really like her channel, but I'm gonna respond to some of these comments and then get back to doing some reading. Okay, so I just finished working on school. I feel like I've been working on school all day. It's now almost 6 o'clock, and I need to pack Devin's lunch for tonight. So Devin eats breakfast, lunch, and dinner at work because he works 12-hour shifts. So he usually eats a Cliff Bar for breakfast with, I usually give him some fruit. And this is all like what he asks for. He comes up with his own little meal ideas, and then I just bring them to life for him. So for lunch, I'm going to make him a barbecue chicken and cheese and mustard wrap. And then for dinner, I'm going to be making him a tuna with that sriracha aioli that I bought, an avocado wrap. And then I usually give him some fruit, usually some yogurt and a couple other things which I can't think of right at the second, but I'm gonna make his lunch and then I'll show you guys everything that I give him, because I get a lot of questions about what I meal prep for my husband. So it changes all the time, but this is what I'm going to give him today. Okay, so this is everything that I pack for my husband, and also sometimes he eats stuff like at his work, they have like snacks and stuff. So for breakfast, I pack him a Cliff Bar, and this is half of a pear. He loves pears. And then for lunch, this is Oikos 000 yogurt vanilla with some blueberries, and this is a cheese stick. And then in here is a whole can of tuna with a spinach wrap and a little bit of the sriracha aioli and like 1/4 of an avocado. And then over here, I didn't have any wraps. He's been really liking wraps lately, but I forgot to get them at the store today, so I need to pick up some tomorrow. But in the meantime, what I was gonna do was make a barbecue chicken wrap. So this is barbecue chicken that I made in the crock pot a couple days ago, and I just used the Stubbs brand barbecue sauce. A dietitian I watch here on YouTube really recommends that brand of barbecue sauce because it's really low in sugar. So I used that in the crock pot, and that's it. So this is just shredded chicken with barbecue sauce, and then I put 1/4 of an avocado because I had half an avocado left, so I split it up. So this is the other half of that half. And then I did jasmine rice. And right here, he's been eating these Metrics protein bars. These are like 400 calories, so he eats only like half of them a night. But he likes them okay. I think I'm gonna try a different one next time. But I have a couple of those left that I bought, so. And then in here are my peanut butter energy ball bites, which I got the recipe off Pinterest. It's just like, if you search energy bites or energy balls, it'll come up. It's just like peanut butter, oats, honey, flaxseed, chocolate chips, and peanut butter. So that's that. And then I give him his Hydro Flask of water, and like I said, sometimes he gets other things at work, but this is what I'm packing him for tonight. I wanted to say that thank you guys for all of the tips on how to keep an avocado, because I wanted to say thank you because you guys gave me a lot of good suggestions on how to keep my avocado fresh. And so what I did this last time was wrap the half with the seed still in it in a plastic bag, and I let all the air out, and then I put it inside of a little Tupperware container like this one, and it worked. All I did was scrape the top off, and it was like green, and it had been in there for like 5 days, which is amazing. So there's a little tip if you want to know how to keep your avocado. I never thought I would like avocado, but I have been eating it a little bit. It doesn't really have much of a taste, so I like to put it on like toast with some salt and pepper and a little bit of lemon juice. It's really good that way. Okay guys, so I know it's dark, sorry for the lighting, but I'm in my living room and I'm about to sit down and eat dinner. Well, I am sitting down. But okay, I know I was talking to you guys earlier about the dairy-free thing, but I made homemade pizza and I'm just living my best life tonight. So it has pepperoni and banana peppers on it. And I don't know what I'm gonna watch. I'm gonna start a show. I'm all caught up with Grey's Anatomy and This Is Us, so I don't know what I'm gonna watch. But if you have any suggestions for TV shows that I could watch that Devin would probably not like, then leave them down below. Most things we both like to watch, so we end up watching things together. But I need shows that I can watch on my own other than Grey's Anatomy and This Is Us. But I'm getting ready to eat, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. That's my dog drinking water. Could he be any louder? I mean, seriously. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because there's not much else gonna be happening tonight. Devin's gonna wake up and go to work, and then I'm going to go to bed. So, thanks for following me around on this kind of casual day. I mean, every day of my life is a casual day, but you guys seem to like these vlogs, so yeah, this is my life, and thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos, I post every Wednesday and Saturday, so make sure to subscribe and turn on my notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!
What am I doing?